Today we are testing cheap versus expensive beans, I think.
Do you like beans?
No.
So that means I'm going to be testing these.
Yeah.
But you like beans, but on stuff, don't you? You don't like beans individually.
Not like pure beans, like I
Okay.
like it.
Maybe we can sway you, because with the last challenge we did peanut butter and jam.
Yeah.
And you kind of thought that was okay. You thought you wouldn't like it, but you ended up liking it. So we're going to have a look at these. There's a difference in price on these. Got a selection of beans. I'm going to do you a close-up on each one of them, so you can see. Hopefully you see me setting these up and how I set these up. All I did was I put beans into each little tray. I didn't want to waste. I didn't want to get a really big bowl, so we got a little bit of it. And then I put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And just to give them warmed up so we know what they're like. I also have a bit of toast cut into little blocks, so we can use toast to taste test them and beans on their own to see if we can tell the difference between cheap and expensive beans. There is quite a big difference in price on these, so it'll be interesting to see if these are good. So am I going straight in for the kill then?
Go on, whack it.
But the only thing here is I know which one's which.
Really?
Yeah. So how will that work? Oh, wait, let me see if you have how well. Okay, so this is number one.
Okay.
There's a bit of sauce and a little bit of bean. And there's a spoon. Okay. So you're gonna give that a try and see how you feel.
Let's see. Okay.
You can take a bite of the bread. You don't have to eat the whole bread. But how does that feel like? That's number one. And the beans, the consistency of the beans seem like they're quite nice. Are they salty? Are they nice? What do you think? You want to take a spoon of some?
No, never.
Okay. So not on their own. Let me see what.
That's right.
Tastes like beans. Nice and soft. Not too salty. You know, the beans are
one of these, which one's
expensive. Yeah. One of them is expensive. One of them is medium. One of them is cheap. That's number one. And number two is this one. Couple of beans. You have to eat the whole thing. You can just take a bite off the end if
I
you
like
want.
eating the whole thing because
okay.
It's just beans and
Consistency makes it better. Okay, so let's try that.
Okay.
That's number two. While you're doing that, I'll also taste and see if I can tell the
Huge
difference.
different, mate.
Really?
Yeah, it tastes a lot different.
Better or worse? Oh, okay. Okay. Why is that? Ingredients wise, two of these are. Okay, these are nice.
Yeah, they are.
If they had a bit of cheese on top, that'd be dank.
But that has to be expensive.
You got one more left to go. Last one. I'll try and do the same. Put two beans on.
Yeah.
If I can get two back.
That's it.
Okay, you try that. While I try them. Okay. These taste different.
They do.
A little bit more sugary. A little bit more tasty.
Okay. Okay, you know what?
1, 2, and 3.
2 is expensive,
Okay.
medium, and cheap.
Oh, you went for the. Okay. Interesting. Which ones do we normally eat?
Oh, which ones we normally eat? Medium. Yeah.
How much do you think the price difference would be on 10 of these?
Oh. Okay, I'm guessing that is like £1.
For a tin?
Yeah. No, wait, this one's
£1.
But no, expensive is about £1.50.
Okay.
And then the medium one is about £1, then 60p, I think.
Interesting. So, we normally give a cup if you get it right, but you're not getting a cup today.
Really?
Yeah.
None of them.
No.
Are
Wait, what did you say?
expensive, medium, and cheap.
No. Which
So
one's
was it-
expensive? Which one's medium? Okay, you got medium.
Okay.
So medium is the medium one.
Mm.
That is the Aldi ones, I think. Number 1 is Aldi. Number 2 is Budget. Number 3 is Heinz. They're meant to be the most expensive, and you said that.
Really?
What's the difference between taste between all of them?
To be honest, this one's the best one because like
The Budget one.
between these two,
Yeah.
like when I had that first, it wasn't that much, but then this was fully like insane.
Oh, okay. So on beans on toast, which one do you prefer? Cheapest ones. There's a big saving. That's like 60 pence, I think. 59, 60 pence. That one is £1.50 for a tin. So that was interesting. Always on these budget challenges, we seem to find out what's going on. So on this version, we found out that it's not always worth buying the expensive beans, especially if you're doing this kind of challenge. We have got another video where we did a challenge of getting loads of food and making something. We will be using one of these ingredients in that special. So have a look at this video here. There's 2-part series. We'll see you on that video.